What's going on, 2A family? It's your boy. I'm back with another one, of course. I got a question for you. What is your EDC for today? I decided to roll with this one. This is my CZ P10F full-size pistol. This one does come with the factory 19-round magazine. And this one, I'm rolling with the Olight PL Turbo. That's how we're doing it right there, y'all. She looking real pretty right there. Got to get this thing to the range. Anyway, let me know in the comment section what your EDC is for today. Have a blessed day, y'all, and stay safe out there. We'll catch you later.